Hello everyone, I am Josmi Yusuf, Assistant Professor of Computer Science. Today we are going to see fixed point and floating point number representations. There are two types of representation for the numbers with fractional part, fixed point and floating point representation. Generally, numbers are of different types, integers and non-integers. The numbers with fractional part, non-integers, are having two parts, integer part and the fractional part. Integer part before the radix point and fractional part after the radix point. In decimal number system, we will be calling this radix point as decimal point. Radix is the base, and base of the number system, decimal number system, is 10. That's why this is called as decimal point. And 89.5621, this 89 is the integer part and 5621 is the fractional part. So this decimal point separates the integer part and the fractional part. In binary number example, 101111.001. 101111 is the integer part and 001 is the fractional part. In between there is a point, radix point, known as binary point. There are two ways of representing numbers with fractional part: fixed point representation and floating point representation. In fixed point number representation, we have fixed number of bits in case of binary for integer part and fixed number of bits for the fractional part. And the first part is sign bit, and the next is integer part, fixed number of bits, next is fractional part. This is the fixed point number representation. And this kind of representation does not work well with very big numbers or very small numbers. That's why we need another kind of representation known as floating point representation. Floating point representation consists of sign of the number, 1 bit represents the sign. Then mantissa represents the magnitude, and an exponent which modifies the magnitude of the number. Here, the accuracy of the floating point number is governed by the number of bits in the mantissa, and the range of numbers is limited by the exponent. There are two representation schemes for floating point numbers: 32-bit representation and 64-bit representation. 32-bit representation is known as single precision representation, and 64-bit representation is known as double precision representation. Here, this shows the 32-bit single precision floating point representation. The most significant bit is the sign bit of the number, and the next 8 bits are used for storing exponent, and the 23 bits are used for storing mantissa part. The floating point number represented using 32-bit single precision representation can be written as -1 raised to s into m into b raised to e, where s is the sign bit, which is 0 for positive numbers and 1 for negative numbers, and e is for exponent, which uses an 8 bits, m for mantissa, which uses 23 bits, and b for the base of the number system. In case of decimal number, we will be having the value 10 for b, and in case of binary, we will be having the value 2 for b. Now, this shows the comparison of fixed point and floating point arithmetic. The fixed point arithmetic is much faster than floating point arithmetic, and it is used in digital signal processing and game applications where performance is more important. But in floating point arithmetic is used for numerical analysis where more accuracy and precision is required. And floating point representation is more flexible, and here in floating point representation we can represent very big numbers and very small numbers which are not available in fixed point representation. We have already seen what is meant by fixed point number representation and floating point representations. Now it's time for questions. First one, for representing very small numbers we can use floating point numbers, 2's complement number, fixed point numbers, or 1's complement number. The answer is floating point numbers. Next one, accuracy of the floating point number is decided by number of bits in the exponent, sign bit, base of the number system, or number of bits in mantissa. Answer is number of bits in mantissa. Next one, which of the following is used in numerical analysis? Fixed point arithmetic, sign and magnitude, floating point arithmetic, or integer arithmetic? Answer is floating point arithmetic. Next one, value of sign bit for negative numbers. 0, 1, both and above, or none of the above. Answer is 1. Next one, in 32-bit representation of floating point number, what is the number of bits for the mantissa? 32, 24, 23, 31. Answer is 23. That's the end of Unit 1 of Digital Electronics and Computer Organization. The references for this unit are Digital Fundamental by Thomas T. Floyd and Digital Principles and Application by Malvina and Leach. So here in this unit we have discussed number systems, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and binary number system, and the conversion between different number systems and different binary codes and the number representations. Thank you very much.